Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2012 Ford F-250. Stock number is 17F1183A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille definitely add a sharp feel. A look down the passenger side where you also have 20-inch chrome wheels. Those wheels are wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. The center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat in the front row. That makes this a 6-seater. You have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side. Then swinging around to the back end, you do have the FX4 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Lariat on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.